Welcome back to our channel today. We're diving into a fascinating topic that's sure to grab your attention. We're going to talk about the traits and qualities that make women absolutely swoon, and yes, even consider giving themselves to you without hesitation. Buckle up, because this is going to be an interesting ride. Let's get started. First up, confidence. Now, we're not talking about arrogance or being overly cocky. True confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin and having a positive self-image. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence because it signals stability and security. When you walk into a room with your head held high and a genuine smile, it speaks volumes. So stand tall, speak clearly, and believe in yourself. Number 2 on our list is a great sense of humor. Laughter is a universal language, and it can break down barriers faster than almost anything else. Women love a man who can make them laugh and feel good. It shows that you're fun, approachable, and not overly serious. So don't be afraid to crack a joke or share a funny story. Just remember to keep it respectful and light-hearted. Next, let's talk about ambition. Ambitious men are incredibly attractive because they demonstrate drive and determination. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to be a CEO or have a six-figure salary. It's more about having goals where working towards them and being passionate about what you do. When a woman sees that you're ambitious and motivated, she'll be more likely to see you as a potential partner who can provide a stable future. Kindness and empathy are crucial. Women appreciate men who are genuinely kind, not just to them, but to others as well. Empathy shows that you're capable of understanding and sharing the feelings of another person, which is essential for any healthy relationship. Small acts of kindness like holding the door open, listening attentively, or helping someone in need can go a long way in making a lasting impression. While physical attractiveness isn't everything, it does play a role. Taking care of your appearance shows that you respect yourself and your body. This doesn't mean you need to look like a model, but maintaining good hygiene, dressing well and staying fit can definitely boost your attractiveness. Remember, it's not about meeting some societal standard of beauty, but about presenting the best version of yourself. Authenticity is key. Women can tell when you're being genuine and when you're putting on a facade. Being true to yourself and honest in your interactions will make you more relatable and trustworthy. Authenticity creates a strong foundation for any relationship as it fosters trust and mutual respect. Last but not least, good communication skills. Being able to express your thoughts, listen actively, and engage in meaningful conversations is incredibly attractive. Good communication is the backbone of any successful relationship, and it shows that you're attentive and considerate of your partner's feelings and opinions. So there you have it. These are the traits that can make a woman see you in a whole new light and even consider giving herself to you. Remember, it's not about pretending to be someone you're not, but about enhancing the best qualities you already possess. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights. Until next time, stay confident, stay kind, and keep being the best version of yourself. Bye.